Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best plasma cutter you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best plasma cutter in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is PrimeWeld 50A plasma cutter. The PrimeWeld can deliver premium cuts despite its small size and it comes with a comprehensive kit. This makes it useful for professionals who need to position their device in different locations because they will not need to invest in an adapter. With your PrimeWeld plasma cutter, you can cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and other metal materials without breaking a sweat. If you need a portable plasma cutter that makes moving from project to project a breeze at a price that won't break the bank, this is it. Add our plasma cutter to your cart today and experience our high-quality product craftsmanship for yourself. Less cleaning, maintenance, noxious gases, and less fire hazard. You have simply less overall work and a better, cleaner cut. The high-frequency DC plasma cuts thicker materials than standard DC plasma cutters. Cuts faster with less distortion in the workpiece. Our second best plasma cutter is CoralCut 50A IGBT. If you're looking for its corresponding built out of high-quality components, then this plasma cutter component is best in market. Cut 50A plasma cutter is made of high-quality components, by adopting the most advanced inverter technical of switch power, as well as the product life and work efficiency are increased by 30% than ordinary machines, smooth cutting surface, permanent supply of high-quality consumables. Compact plasma cutting machine with LCD digital display and equipped with a portable handle, it is very convenient to operate and carry. Long-term supply of consumables. This plasma cutter can automatically adapt to switch input power of 90 to 260 volt, plug and play in different environments, no external conversion plug required. This is a professional plasma cutter, which is widely used for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and other color metal materials. Cutting thickness is 1 to 20 mm, effective cutting thickness 10 mm. CoralCut 50A IGBT is one of those machines that know how to strike a balance between performance, aesthetics, and cost efficiency. Third pick in our list is PrimeWeld Cut 60 plasma cutter. The PrimeWeld Cut 60 plasma cutter is a powerful machine, able to cut up to 7 by 8 inch steel in a single pass. This is a dual power plasma cutter, ready to run on either 120 volts or 240 volts. The high frequency no touch arc starting offered by many machines will interfere with digital electronics, making them useless for computer controlled plasma cutter tables. The PrimeWeld Cut 60 plasma cutter gives you computer control ability with a blowback torch. The PrimeWeld Cut 60P is a user-friendly machine that doesn't require any special skills or experience. It's built to last and is ideal for top-notch cuts, fast turnaround times and ease of operation. This versatile unit is perfect for both industrial/construction work and home/hobby use and can be used to create artistic patterns in metals. This plasma cutter is highly portable so you can take it wherever it's needed, from the job site to home workshops and beyond. It's an ideal cutting device that can quickly and easily be attached to generators and welders. Number 4 in our side is Lotos LTP 5000D plasma cutter. The Lotos LTP 5000D continues that tradition with 50 amps of power and a 60% duty cycle at an attractive price point. It features 120 and 240 dual voltage input and a POPs cooling system based on German technology. This machine uses an external compressor for its high pressure cutting air. Some owners feel that the ground clamp and ground cable are made a little too cheaply. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. Efficiently cuts the rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best plasma cutter list is Lotus LTPDC2000D plasma cutter. The Lotus LTPDC2000D is one powerhouse of a plasma cutter, its most defining feature being that it is a 3-in-1 welding machine. Pilot arc torch efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. This quality TIG welding on stainless or steel and precise welding of thinner gauge materials, HF arc start hand torch control and precise foot pedal welding heat control. Easy ARC start, stable welding arc, deep weld pull and beautiful welding shape, adjustable hot striking arc current which can greatly improve the arc starting function, suitable for welding with different kinds of acid or basic electrode. It cannot compatible with Lotus Pecan 40 or Pecan 90 consumables sets or any other third-part consumables set. The pre-installed NPT 1/4 inch industry type D plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler existing on your air compressor. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 minute.